Hi, I'm Jim with High Tech Car Care. Hey, if you're thinking about working on your car yourself, some of the time you get a little bit of fear because you don't know anything about your car. Well, you're not going to find out by not opening the hood and checking it out. We do want you to be cautious. You don't want to be touching hot items under the hood or crossing electrical wires, but it's certainly not a problem for you to open the hood, see what's down there, and check it out. If you feel comfortable enough to address problems and go to work on it, excellent. We probably have a position here. We need more technicians. We need people that like working on cars. We appreciate customers that work on their car themselves. Here at High Tech, we have no problem working on a car that you've worked on before. We don't mind picking up where you left off. You know what? If you were working on it, it's a lot easier for us than if you took it to another shop and you don't know what they were doing under the hood. At least you know you can share that information with us and we can fix it properly. High Tech Car Care would love to meet you in your vehicle. And if we're not convenient, you can go to NARPRO.com and find a shop near you.